Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. Today we are cooking in the kitchen. And if your family is anything like mine, we love goldfish crackers. I found a simple recipe where you can make goldfish crackers at home. Let's get started. Before we get started, here are a few reminders when cooking in the kitchen. Make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly with warm, soapy water. If you've got long hair, be sure to tie it back. And because we'll be using sharp objects and baking our crackers in a hot oven, make sure you've got the help of an adult. Here's what you'll need to make your own goldfish crackers. And we'll be sure to post the recipe in the show notes. You'll need access to an oven and a refrigerator. You'll need a cookie sheet, some parchment paper, plastic wrap, 60 grams of unsalted butter, kept cold and cut into cubes, 1 cup of flour, a pastry blender, a fish-shaped cookie cutter, 2 tablespoons of water, ½ teaspoon of salt, 220 grams of finely shredded sharp cheddar, a bowl, a flipper, a mixing spoon, and some oven mitts. And don't forget your rolling pin. First, add 1 cup of flour and 60 grams of unsalted butter, kept cold and cut into cubes, into the bowl. Then, using the pastry blender, mix the two together. Continue until the mixture forms coarse crumbs, and then add ½ teaspoon of salt. Next, add 220 grams of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now grab the 2 tablespoons of water, but only add 1 tablespoon at a time. Next, use your hands to form the mixture into dough. Separate the dough into 2 portions and wrap in plastic wrap. Set the packages of dough to chill in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 330 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius and remove the dough from the refrigerator. Once you've removed the plastic, then place the dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper or plastic wrap or even wax paper and use your rolling pin to roll it out. You're going to want to aim for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch thick or about 3 millimeters. Thinner crackers will be crispier, whereas thicker crackers will be softer. And once the dough is rolled out to the desired thickness, you can use your cookie cutter to make the shapes. Re-roll the remaining dough and repeat. Bake the crackers for about 15 to 17 minutes until the crackers get golden around the edges. When time is up, carefully remove the crackers from the oven and let them cool on the baking tray for about 10 minutes. Then move them to a wire rack to continue cooling. And if you don't eat all the crackers right away, keep them fresh in an airtight container. Taste tested and family approved. So, how do they taste? Take a photo of you enjoying your crackers and post it on social media. Tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. See you next time.